News from Karnataka now. In the Yediyurappa versus Sadanand Gowda war has probably hit its newest low. Today, a large group of MLAs known to be loyal to former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa released a list of 51 MLAs who they claim are willing to resign if the BJP did not replace Chief Minister Sadanand Gowda. If 51 MLAs are indeed on Yediyurappa's side, then that forms half of the BJP's strength in the Karnataka Assembly. They have now set a new deadline of the 5th of July to replace Gowda. The party, however, continues to say all is well.
BJP ministers and MLAs in Karnataka working overtime even on a Sunday. No, they're not busy with government affairs, but busy dealing with factions in the state BJP. Jagdish Shettar, the Revenue Minister of Karnataka, the Lingayat leader who Yediyurappa wants as the next Chief Minister, hosted a Sunday brunch for rebel MLAs at his residence in Bangalore. In their latest muscle-flexing move, the Yediyurappa group released a list of 51 MLAs who they claim are willing to resign if Sadanand Gowda is not replaced by the 5th of July.
Definitely there is a positive news. Before 5th it will end. New Chief Minister will take oath on 5th. There is positive news. Don't worry about it.
The 9 ministers who resigned from the Sadanand Gowda cabinet accused the Chief Minister of being indifferent to them. The Yediyurappa faction also claims that Gowda is close to rival JDS's Deve Gowda. The Chief Minister, though, has his smile on for now. He meets the party bosses in New Delhi on the 2nd of July.
सारा समाधान हो जाएगा कहीं कोई किसी तरह का कोई संकट नहीं है.
Sources say the BJP will take a decision soon after President Gadkari's son's wedding reception. The factions within the BJP in Karnataka has very interestingly made the factions at the central level of the party very evident. It's an open secret that Mr. Advani and his group does not want to let Yediyurappa have his way because of the corruption allegations against him. Yediyurappa, who some days ago openly supported Narendra Modi, wants to have a chief minister in Karnataka who could toe his line. Will the party now bow down to Yediyurappa to save their only government in South India? Radhika Iyer in Bangalore for NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.